In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the record tab in PowerPoint. This beginner's guide will walk you through the steps you need to follow, making it easier to enhance your presentations by recording them directly within PowerPoint. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's vital to ensure you're starting from the right place. PowerPoint is where all the magic happens, and having it open is your first step toward unlocking new features that can elevate your presentation game. Once you've opened a PowerPoint, navigate to the specific presentation you intend to work on. You might have one already saved, or perhaps you're starting a new one. Either way is perfectly fine. Having your presentation open in front of you allows you to directly apply any changes once we activate the Record tab. This helps keep things smooth and ensures you don't have to switch between multiple windows. Next, let's venture into the File tab, which you'll find at the top left corner of your screen. Think of the File tab as your command center. From here, you'll have access to the background settings that can really customize your PowerPoint experience. Moving on, from the drop-down list that appears when you click File, you'll want to select Options. This is where you can adjust the various features of PowerPoint to suit your needs. It's like the control panel for all your preferences, and it's essential for our next step. Within the Options dialog box, look for the category labeled Customize Ribbon. The ribbon is the toolbar that appears at the top of PowerPoint, and customizing it allows you to add or remove the tabs depending on the functionalities you use the most. Our focus here is to make sure the record option is included, which is a game changer for anyone looking to add narration or timed recordings to their slides. Now, you'll notice there are two columns in the Customize Ribbon section. The second column pertains to the tabs that are actively available on your ribbon. A little known but crucial action here is to check the box labeled Review. This specific step is important, as it ensures the visibility and usability of editing and review options, which include accessing recording features within PowerPoint. Once you've checked the appropriate boxes, you're almost done. To finalize these changes, simply click OK. This confirms your selections and updates the PowerPoint ribbon to include the Review and Record tabs ready for use, and there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have added the Record tab to your PowerPoint ribbon, opening up a whole new realm of possibilities for creating engaging, narrated presentations. As you explore these new features, remember the potential they offer to make your presentations more interactive and professional. Thanks for joining in, and happy presenting.